good morning and welcome to Crime India Press with a breaking news. The CBI questioned Jai Anmol Ambani for the second consecutive day in connection with the 228 crore RHFL bank fraud case. On Saturday, the Central Bureau of Investigation questioned industrialist Anil Ambani's son, Jai Anmol Ambani, for approximately 5 hours in connection with an alleged fraud case amounting to 228 crore involving Reliance Home Finance Ltd. Notably, he had undergone a similarly lengthy interrogation on Friday as well. Jai Anmol Ambani arrived at the CBI headquarters in Delhi around 11 o'clock and investigators questioned him until approximately 16 o'clock. Following Friday's questioning, he was asked to appear again as the agency continues its investigation into alleged financial irregularities linked to the housing finance company. The case pertains to an alleged bank fraud, in connection with which a case has been registered against Anmol Ambani, who was a former director of RHFL at the time, as well as the company's former chief executive officer and former whole-time director Ravindra Sudhakar, among others. Investigators are examining the roles of senior officials from that period, including board-level functionaries, and scrutinizing the company's lending procedures during the time when the loans currently under investigation were sanctioned. This probe further intensifies the regulatory pressure on the Reliance Anil Dhirubhai Ambani group. The group is already facing an investigation by the Enforcement Directorate, and assets totaling over 16,310 crore have already been attached. Sources indicated that Saturday's questioning focused primarily on the company's loan disbursement mechanisms, internal decision-making processes, and the roles played by senior officials during that period. Investigators are also analyzing the chain of corporate decision-making and identifying the individuals responsible for approving and overseeing the transactions under scrutiny. Agency sources said Ambani's role is being examined in connection with the approval of general-purpose corporate loans. Forensic audits have alleged that some of these loans were routed to shell or potentially indirectly linked entities and financially weak group companies in violation of standard credit norms. The agency suspects that loans extended by RHFL were diverted by borrower companies and that due diligence norms were bypassed while sanctioning credit facilities. Officials said Junior Ambani was questioned about the company's financial transactions, board-level decisions, and the operational structure during the period when the loans were sanctioned. The case pertains to an alleged 228 crore bank fraud in which the CBI suspects that funds raised through lending arrangements were siphoned off or routed through a network of entities in violation of banking norms. The criminal case was registered against RHFL, a company of the ADG Group, its promoters or directors and unknown bank officials on the basis of a complaint filed by Union Bank of India. The FIR alleges criminal conspiracy, cheating and criminal misconduct that allegedly caused a wrongful loss of 228 rupees 06 crore to the bank. According to investigators, the RHFL loan account was classified as a non-performing asset in September 2019 and was later declared a fraud account on 10 October 2024. Officials said the scope of the investigation extends beyond a single lender. RHFL reportedly owed a total of Rs 5,572 crore to a consortium of 18 banks, financial institutions, and corporate entities. Thanks for watching Crime India Press. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and push the bell icon. Goodbye and see you again with the next news. With Rais Khan.